Yeah. Like about, like 20, 30 miles per hour.
I never seen gas. I got like the Tamiya ones like that.
Tamiya? Oh, I got a Tamiya upstairs. Did you like build it?
Yeah, you gotta build them. I got the 949 Porsche.
I got the,
I never seen that shit. A 20 05 or 010.
nah, that's a, it's a .16.
16, so it's like a 15, about a 15.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, they changed a lot of shit since that before. You got the wrong tires on there.
Yeah.
You gotta change the tires.
Yeah, I can't find any. Like, I got some other on-roads and those tires don't even fit on it, so.
Can't find it?
Yeah, not yet.
Did you look online?
Nope. But I tried to use the tires from my other 10 scales.
Yeah, no, the Circus Hobbies. And then, if you go 104th and Jamaica Avenue, you got Wilson Hobby right there. He deal with cars.
Oh.
And he got a track in the back.
I only got reverse on the, huh? Nah, it's the stock motor. The Tamiya that I have is the TTO2.
Huh?
The Tamiya that I have is the TTO2.
Yeah, now they should all the shit.